guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we woke up super early this morning because we had to take Destiny to the dentist's office to get her tooth pulled. Y'all, I'm not used to waking up this early in the morning, but I have to start getting used to waking up early because the kids start school back again next week. I just did my hair, you guys. Oh, look at Devin. I just did my hair, y'all. I was having a bad hair day. I didn't know what I was gonna do with my hair, but I mean, it ain't turned out too bad. I'm just gonna have to fro. And Destiny went to show you guys her outfit of the day. She's puffing it up to some leopard hearts and some flats. You look cute to go to the dentist's office. Oh, okay. And my husband's getting ready to head off to work, guys. But I figured he'd do an outfit of the day as well. You're looking good, sir. Her tooth pull. She said she didn't feel anything at all. She had that laughing gas, so she's kind of silly. Hey guys, I am now back home. I just want to take a little break before I get busy for today. So the kids went upstairs to relax. They said they woke up too early, which they're getting ready to have a rude awakening because school starts back again next year. Not next year, next week. So they're going back to face-to-face learning. Their school decided they wanted to bring the kids back until further notice. So they're saying right now they just want to bring them back. If something changes, like the numbers go up in our area or whatever, they'll go back to virtual learning. That was their decision to make. So now we have to get used to a new schedule, because when we were getting up for virtual learning, we were getting up around 6-7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, like 7. Not anymore. Now we have to get up at 5 in the morning. So yeah, I have to make sure I go to sleep early this week to train myself to go to bed early, to wake myself up for early. And the kids have to do the same thing because they are not used to waking up early anymore. I made sure to buy a ton of masks, so like that they could switch theirs out every single day and I could just go ahead and wash them. So I got hand sanitizer, so I'm trying to make sure they're straight. It's been a while since we've done the whole school morning routine, so I'm kind of excited, but I'm also very nervous, you know. No judgment, everybody has to do what they gotta do, you know. So I am on day 3 eating low carb and keto, and I'm doing okay. John, my husband, and I, we're doing pretty good. Yesterday he had like a slight headache, he said, but which is, it's one of those symptoms you get after eating a different, you know, eating healthier. After a few days you get like headaches and stuff because your body is not used to eating that certain type of way. But we're doing pretty good so far. I have to make some more of those egg muffins because they lasted maybe 2 days, if that. My husband loves it, and the boys especially loves to eat it. So this time I'm just gonna add more stuff in it, like besides ham, I'm gonna add cheese, bell peppers, green onions, spinach, to make it even cut up bacon. I'm gonna add that in there as well to make it nice and heartier and make it stretch a little bit more. Hopefully I can make at least 24 muffins. And I'm hoping I can also make the bagels, the keto bagels. Those are so good. I haven't made them in a long time, so I'm hoping to do that again today. And I have to cook dinner. Y'all, my birthday is on Thursday. Like, I am turning 30 something years old. I'm turning 33. And my birthday, especially the past few years, is on a regular weekday. So my husband's gonna be working. There's a regular day. We might go, well, we will go out to dinner because this mama is not cooking a home birthday. But so we'll go out to dinner for my birthday or whatever. I'm still planning eating low carb. But every day it feels like my birthday is on a weekday. So I haven't had a birthday on a weekend. Maybe we could do something this weekend that's different. But y'all, it's my birthday. I'm just feel blessed and grateful to make it another year. not many people can say that right now. So I'm just happy to make it another year. I'm happy. I'm not a choicy person. I'm not really into gifts. Like I love gifts, but I'm not really a gift person. So like for somebody that was looking for a gift on their birthday, that's not me. Like I don't look forward to gifts on Valentine's Day or anything like that. Even though I get gifts all year long, it's just not my thing, if that makes sense. I know it's probably I decided to keep, for my cleaning channel, I decided to keep it to 1 video a week, mainly on Sundays, because you guys, I thought I could do it all, but I can't. With my Etsy shop, and then I have my vlog channel, which I enjoy posting on here. It's a lot easier to film. And then my cleaning videos, I can't, and then everything that I have here as a wife and a mom, I can't keep up. So it was to the point that it was causing me anxiety and stress last year. Technically it was last year. And it was this comment that stuck with me when my daughter was like, "You're cleaning again?" And it seemed like I was cleaning every single day just to be able to post 2 videos a week. But I can't keep up, honestly. So I decided to, even though I did like 1 video a week in December, I saw how easier it was for me and less and more stress-free for me. And I think I will keep up with that schedule as just every Sunday posting a new cleaning video. I hope you guys understand, because it's so hard. For 1 video, it takes me 2-3 days to film and edit. So imagine if I do 2-3 days for 1 video and then I do 2 videos. That's most of the week I'm filming already. So yeah, I'll just stick with 1 video a week. Maybe my channel might not even grow as fast, you know, and stuff like that, and not make as much money, but I have to do what I have to do for my. All right, y'all, so I'm over here watching some more Grey's Anatomy. I am obsessed with this show, but I just made another mix of eggs, and I'm getting ready to make more egg muffins. So let me know down in the comments, have you guys started working on your goals already since the year started? Also, I know a lot of you have started your weight loss journey or just healthier lifestyle journey. So let me know how's it going so far for you. Alright y'all, so the eggs are done. I'm just waiting for them to cool off before I put them in the fridge. And then I was gonna make the keto bagels, but y'all, I was not in the mood. So I found a recipe on Pinterest and I added it to my January dinners link, and I don't know if this tastes good, but I'm gonna try it out. This is like biscuits, and I guess you can eat these with sausages. Let me find the recipe. So this is what it looks like. Let me focus on it. And this is what it's called, keto sausage and biscuit. So these are the biscuits for when you make sausage biscuit, and I already have the sausage, so only thing I gotta do is make the biscuit. So it will make it easier in the morning for my husband and I to just warm up the biscuit and the sausage and just have like a little sausage patty type of thing. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like, and I just had one, and yes, I do recommend this recipe. It's very good. All right, y'all, so it's been a few hours, and sorry for the background noise, but I have the dishwasher going. I just finished making the wonton soup, and I just tasted it. It tastes really good. Right now I have it simmering, but I was very interested in trying out this recipe. But so far so good. And remember, the recipes that I use, all the recipes are in my Pinterest board for January dinners, which I will have down in my description box. So the kids are actually eating the soup in the kitchen. I haven't started eating yet. Normally I wait for my husband, but the kids were already hungry. Plus I'm not that hungry right now. That's one thing I've noticed, is I'm not as hungry, so I'll eat later. But they have given me the thumbs up on this recipe, and whenever I try a new recipe I always ask them, is this recipe a keeper, and they tell me yes, so that's a good thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.